Hello and welcome to the end of yet another week. It's time to take a look at what equities had to offer this week. As investors awaited positive news from the top performing banks for investments, trading sessions in the week were dominated by sell pressure from the bears. With prevailing contributions from the small cap stocks, equity markets closed red this week as the key benchmark indices slides by 0.41%. We'll now take a look at the details. This week, the all-share index declined by 1.22% to close at 20,623.63. Following the same pattern, the market capitalization depreciated by 80.35 billion naira and shot down at 6.49 trillion naira. In assessing stocks by companies this week, the shares of United Bank for Africa (UBA) rates number 1 with a total traded volume of 426.34 million units. Gold Insurance PLC got valued at 73.60 million naira, while First Bank PLC traded a volume of 99.31 million units. Most often than not, the sectoral evaluation of stocks presents the financial services sector as the highest traded at the exchange. This week was not an exception, as the sector again leads with a volume of 1.1 billion units of stocks, and the consumer goods sector follows with 70.37 million units. In a total of 15,166 trades, the entire shares traded at the bourse was 1.34 billion units. This week, the 5 sectoral indexes was faced with moderate appreciations in the NSE food and beverages and the oil and gas sectors alone. Both sectors of the 5 appreciated at the same rating of 0.48%. The overall gainers at the end of the week was 19 in number and the decliners were 42. Some of the top key gainers in price include the Eternal Oil PLC, which gained by 14.81% to close at 3 naira 1 kobo. Livestock PLC closed at 85 kobo per share, having gained by 8.97%, and Vitafoam PLC closed at 3 naira 38 kobo. For the decliners, Japol Oil led the list, dropping by 15.85% to close at 69 kobo. Bako PLC closed at 1 naira 52 kobo, and Julius Berger declined by 11.89% to close at 25 naira 65 kobo. Apart from other corporate declarations as already given in the week, Guinness Nigeria PLC today declared its Q2 results for the period ended December 31, 2011. From the brewery sector, Guinness PLC yielded a positive turnover of 62.84 billion naira, but the profit after tax is down by 2.5%. For further details on this market report, do check that out on our news and features page. But as an investor, as you take a break for this weekend, do continue to give your stocks a long-term investment approach. This has been After the Bell from ProShare. Join us next time for more.